For those of you who can't get a Christmas tree, are allergic to trees, we're gonna make a festive balloon tree out of 3 simple ingredients. So literally, you're gonna get a tomato
form from the garden store.
a tomato form from the garden store, balloons, and then this simple balloon tape.
I actually have a million of these because I grow tomatoes.
There you go.
They're in my shed.
You can take one right from the shed.
That's so fun.
Do you want to have a balloon blowing competition?
Sure.
Okay. 1, 2.
I'm very competitive.
So you basically take the knot of the balloon,
right?
And then there's already pre-cut holes right in here for you.
Shut the door.
So you just pop the little knot right in.
What is this?
And you
They
pull
make
the
this
balloon
for
through.
balloons?
You can buy this at a party store or craft store. They make it just for balloons.
I need to go party at the party store more.
Yeah.
Clearly.
You pull it right through. You fill it as much as you want.
I gotcha.
And then you just tape it from the top
and it comes
to
out
the
like
bottom.
this.
And then it comes out exactly just like that.
Let's go to the table.
So this is one of my favorite ways to set
This table is so adorable. I can't stand it. Do you see this?
It's everything you already have at home, but brought to life in a winter wonderland. So we're gonna make
snowmen.
Yeah. So basically you take 2 plates. We did little blueberries for the buttons.
Oh.
We did hole punches for the eyes and the mouth.
Oh.
You drop a little carrot in there for the nose.
It's ridiculous.
And then a paper napkin gets you the hat. You put a knife across for the brim. You need a little scarf.
He's got a little scarf.
And then you gotta have 2 arms.
It's so cute.
And the joy is, now you're ready to eat because everything we're using is functional for the dinner.
What a fun idea.
Yeah, it's so cute, right? And everyone has big plates at home, small plates at home.
It's just so cheerful. It's just so cheerful.
Cheerful. I mean, the holidays are about cheer and joy, right?
Delightful.
And then as we move into New Year's Eve, right after Christmas comes New Year's Eve, I wanted to remember to celebrate the year 2020. So essentially we came up with buying the big wooden letters, 2020.
Down to the craft shop.
But you could also cut these out of cardboard, really simple, easy to do at home if you don't want to go shopping.
Right.
You wrap it in a beautiful metallic foil. We did gold, but any color. You could do iridescent, purple, blue. And then from here, what I'm gonna ask you to help me do is use our 3rd ingredient, which is fringe.
Fringe!
And you go a little crazy with fringe. So you can wear it as a dress. I guess maybe that's a different episode. Today, though...
I'm just picturing him in only fringe right now. Like some crazy, funky cousin it.
Is that what you're asking me to wear next time?
Yes!
Because I will do it.
Yes!
So it's really fun and simple. You're gonna take a small piece of tape on the back here.
Okay.
Just to get us started. And then you wrap the fringe around. So you're just gonna loop it all the way around, as much or as little as you want.
Yes!
And you just work right on through.
Yes!
And then at the end, we went ahead and had some gold tape so that we tape it all the way around the perimeter here so that you have the gold on the gold.
So you secure it.
Exactly. And then ultimately, you have your 2020. Yeah, so a happy 2020.